Cheers! I'm Clive, and here's Hyundai's all-electric IONIQ 5, while over there is a fast-moving freeway. Let's see how quickly our driver can get onto it, by stamping on the Hyundai's pedal all the way to merging speed. That shadow there on the ground is the acceleration of an average car for comparison. Okay, ready? Set. Go! Did you see that slight pause at the start? But it's super smooth, and very fast. 60 miles per hour happens in 4.5 seconds. And it hits merging speed in 5.9. And did it in only 30% of the on-ramp. Check it out on this comparison graph. The red line is the Hyundai, the black one is the average acceleration of all cars, and those grey ones show the range of all the cars we've tested. As I said, it hesitates a little at the start, which is strange for an EV. And it also fades a tad near 65. But wow, it sure ran away from the average car. With a score of 78%, I think our driver rather liked this one. Maybe you should put that hand back on the wheel.